Hey guys, welcome back. So, that was a close one. We almost missed the demolition. I looked over and found out that the camera turned off because the battery died. And I was out of data, memory. So, what we're doing right now is we're breaking down this wall. And as you can see, let me bring you closer. I mean, you know, you got some shady GCs in this world. And it makes me disgusted that people pay really good money to only have stuff like this. So you can see what they did. No installation, no nothing. All they did was stick felt paper over the hole and close it up. That's all they did when they built the extension. I mean, that's a real shitty move, man. You guys know who you are. You know who built the extension. You guys suck, dude. Like, really suck. You took advantage of this lady. You know, you guys blow, dude. So we're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix everything in this house. A lot of work is being done. We're gonna fix everything in this house. There's a lot of work being done. I mean, from the floor joists to the floor to the walls to the sheetrock installation. I mean, you name it, we're doing it. So always remember, PPE is very important. Wear your mask, wear your gloves. And right now we're just gonna be able to rip this wall down. So let's get this. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that. And here we go again. Let's see what we got here. Now, this lady is such a sweetheart. And for a contractor to take advantage of a beautiful person like that, you guys are a fucking disgrace. Excuse my French, but like seriously, I mean, look at this. What is this? That's the way you guys build a wall? Get the hell out of here. We're gonna fix this. As you can see, all they did was put felt paper. And now when the cat's away, the mice like to play. I don't do stuff like this. That's shady. And I don't believe in it. I think you got too many people like that in this world. And maybe why this world is going to shit in a handbasket. Because we got people like this that takes advantage of people like that. You can see where they cut the wall in. This is original. This is where they cut it in. So they can't say that, I mean, there's no excuse. I mean, gats. You know? Look at this. Fucking felt paper. I mean, really, how much was it gonna cost just to go ahead and put insulation in this? I mean, I'm sorry I'm raving, and ramping, but this shit disgusts me. But it is what it is. Shit, it's not even nailed. One nail in each. Cheesy, disgusting autos. Let's get all this debris out of here so we can get them moving. So this is what we do with the wood that we take out that we can burn. We start a bonfire. Oh, caught it. Caught it. You saw that? So, another day, another $1 spent, and another 10 hours of working. Who's better than me right now? So, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take this slat off the wall. Because of the distance between the wall and the frame, it's about 1.25 inches. So, the way we're gonna fix that is we need a solid backing on this wall for the kitchen cabinets and the other things we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna go ahead and put OSB on this wall, 1/2 inch, and then we're gonna do 5/8 sheetrock, wrapping it around, which gives us a nice solid foundation for the kitchen cabinets. It also gives us a solid foundation from the exterior wall because there's nothing there to protect. On the other side, it's just shiplap. So instead of breaking the other room down, we're gonna add the OSB on this side as a dual purpose. So then once we get done with that, we're gonna rewire all the electric. We're gonna run the new double pole 40 amp breaker for the 220 stove. And then we're gonna run another double pole 40 to the panel for a washing machine and dryer. But we haven't decided if that's gonna go downstairs or we're gonna keep the laundry room, or the laundry room's gonna be the bathroom. So let's get to ripping this down and then we'll get what we need to do done. So the way I like to do this is I like to take a crowbar and I like to go up and just pop it. And it's done. They come right off with no problem. Once we get them off, they go in the can. It's beautiful, right? It's so beautiful. And there's so much heat coming off of this.